Alright, so here we got an 81 xt250. Bought it a couple years ago. Still needs some carb work done. Had a problem when I started up. Had a knocking noise. Thought it might be in the top end. Checked the valve clearances, everything was fine there. And I thought it was bottom end. Well, it turned out these old Yamahas tend to have, sorry about the lighting, timing guides that'll loosen up from time to time. I checked them, they were in good shape. Tensioned it up, the knocking noise went away. So for all of you who own the XT250 or the tt250, you start getting a knocking noise in your engine, first thing you want to do is check that timing chain tensioner. Other than that, looks like crap, but pretty reliable.